Okay, in step 3, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start stressing out the pod that has the demo HPA demo web container. And I'm going to start stressing it so it starts eating CPU. Then in the following step, I'm going to apply HPA horizontal pod autoscaler to start alleviating that stress. So and this is all written out in the steps on the left-hand side, so I'm pretty much doing what you're going to be doing in a minute anyway. So let's go down. The first thing I need to do is I need to open a second terminal, and I need to create a testing container that I'm going to go into, and I'm going to start firing calls to the HPA demo web service from within the testing container, which is also in the same cluster. So I'm going to be inside the cluster in one container firing off instructions, or actually wget commands against the service in that container. And that's going to cause the pod to stress because I'm going to write an infinite loop that's just going to drive it nuts. So the first thing I need to do is I need to create the deployment for testing. In this case, it's going to be a BusyBox image off of Docker Hub, and I'm going to use the IT interactive terminal option to go right into to SSH right into the container and run from its command line. So here I go, and I'm going to go group control run, and you can see a second terminal window is opened. And now it's trying to get in, coup control 1, and now I am inside of the second deployment, the pod, the container of that second deployment. So if I do a little ls and directly in the command line, you can see that this is again brand new. All right, so here I am, and so now what I want to do is I want to see, first of all, can I talk to the service, the HPA demo web service that's actually running within the cluster. And I'll execute this wget command. You see it's going to go up using the DNS, the Kubernetes DNS naming convention HPA-demo-web, which is the name of the service, default service cluster local. Okay, so I do that, and you can see there's my OK, which means I am now I'm in the cluster and I'm talking to that service. Great. So now let's drive things crazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a bash command and put it in a bash file that's saying while true, which is like forever, keep getting the service, just keep hitting a request to that service until I say done, but it'll never be done. So this is going to go on forever. So the first thing I need to do is to create the bash file. I'll call it loops.sh. I've created loops.sh. Now I need to give it executable permission, so I'll do a little chmod action. I've chmod it, and now I'm going to start up the infinite loop of OKs. So I'll go down here and let me bring this up because this is what you're going to get. OK. And I'm going to run that, and now I'm okaying, and that's it. So now the next step is I need to go in and to actually now create the horizontal pod autoscaler and just watch it take over and make everything better. So there you have it.